Relax on the Lanai overlooking the pool with a canal water view. Open concept floor plan, family room has wood flooring, beautiful light and bright kitchen has soft close drawers, slide-out shelves, designer glass tile backsplash with desk area. 2 master bedroom suites with walk-in custom closets, 2 full baths, 2-car garage. Dining area has chandelier and breakfast counter for enjoying your morning coffee. Kitchen has all upgraded appliances, like new. All living areas have tile, bedrooms have carpeting. Crown molding throughout and security system. Laundry room has bright block glass window with extra closet for storage. Spacious garage has custom cabinets and pull-down stairs for attic storage. Village walk of Bonita Springs is a lovely gated community. This community has so many activities that you will have the time of your life. Large resort-style pool, lap pool, 8 Har-Tru tennis courts, Bocce ball courts, pickleball and basketball courts. The Towncenter has a full-time activities director, library, computer room, card room, ballroom for dances. The Towncenter has a restaurant bar, hair salon, sweet shop, spa, post office, gas station and car wash. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle.